Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Kurdish rugs. Now, Kurdish rugs originate from Kurdish tribes, and Kurdish tribes come from mainly Iran, Iraq, Turkey, and Syria. However, the type that weave rugs are actually from Iran and Iraq. Now, when you look at this beautiful 1900s Bijar Kurdish rug, you'll notice that the construction is very dense, and that's what Kurdish rugs are known for, having a dense construction and very, very nice wool. Now, something to point out about Kurdish rugs is that they have generally a tribal design going on. So you'll notice this Rouzati design in the center, the medallions, and then you have the classic samovar border or the turtle border that you see in a lot of tribal rugs as well. Now, this rug is truly a unique rug. It's a Kurdish Bakhtiyari rug with a Shalamzar design right here in the center. And Shalamzar designs are known for having these birds right here in the center. So you'll see a lot of animals, birds within these type of Kurdish rugs sometimes. And also something to notice is the vibrant colors that are used, like this bright orange, the red, some of the sky blue. So these are some nice elements that you'll see in a lot of beautiful Kurdish rugs. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.